ASC AP software tutorial. How to create print and cut jobs in CameraCut Pro. Your GCC ASC-350 series machine comes with a CameraCut Pro serial number. Download and install CameraCut Pro from the GCC website to get started with the print cut workflow. Import the artwork into CameraCut Pro. Switch to the Registration Marks tab in the right side panel. Select On under Registration Marks. Set the mark type to round. Select the File drop-down menu and click Print. Place the printed media on the ASC-350 media tray. Adjust the tracing and contour settings to generate a contour line. Click the cut icon to open the Contour Cut wizard. Switch to the View Both tab in the Contour Cut wizard, and then click the Cut button to run the cutting job. The workflow is complete.